Guys, how you doing? This is going to be a short video on adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators. That's when the denominators are the same. So as long as we have a plus or minus in between the set of fractions, we know that we're adding and subtracting, not multiplying or dividing. So from here, I'm just going to concentrate on the numerators. So the top number is my numerator. I have 1 and I have 4 and I have a plus sign. So really what I'm doing is I'm just saying this: 1 plus 4 over the denominator 9. So I do 1 plus 4 is 5. I get 5. I keep my denominator the way it is, and I look to see if my fraction can be reduced. It can't. Both numbers are not divisible by a common number. Can't reduce it, and my answer is 5/9. Okay, number 2. Two over 33 minus 8 over 33 plus 5 over 33. So it doesn't matter how many fractions I have. I just have to make sure that I have a plus or minus in between to indicate that I'm adding or subtracting, and I have to make sure that I have a common denominator. So I do. Got a common denominator, or I have like denominators, so now I just worry about the numerator. So 2 minus 8, I just bring everything down from the numerator, plus 8 over 33. And now from here, I just worry about my integer rules. 2 minus 8, I get negative 6. Negative 6 plus 5 is going to be negative 1. Or I could have grouped 2 and 5 together, got 7, and did 7 minus 8. When the integers have different signs, you subtract and take the sign of larger. So you get negative 1 over 33. And that's it. That's all you can do for that one. Check my monitor. All right, let's go do 2 more. 2/3 minus 5/3. So again, plus or minus in between. That means that we're adding and subtracting. We got like denominators, common denominator. I worry about just my numerators. 2 minus 5 over 3. When the signs are different, we subtract, take the sign of larger. So we get 3, take the sign of larger, over the common denominator, 3. And here, if I can reduce, great. Now 3 divided by 3 is just 1, so it comes out to be an integer. And then a negative divided by a positive is a negative. So I get negative 1 as my answer. It just happened to simplify to some sort of integer. All right, 4. Eight over 3 plus 2 over 3 minus 4 over 3. Okay, still, plus or minus is in between. Got a common denominator. Worry about just my numerators. 8 plus 2 minus 4 over 3. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. I get 6 over 3. This simplifies to an integer. If I look at the top and the bottom, the numerator and denominator, I ask myself, are they divisible by a common number? So I divide both by the common number that they're both divisible by, which is 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And that's going to be the fraction that I get, which is 2 over 1. And that's just an integer. So my final answer is 2. All right, there should be about 2 more videos on adding and subtracting fractions. Look for them. Thanks.